The next step I'm going to show you is how to organize the layout of your site. Right now, this is what my layout looks like, and I need to change the layout. So I'm going to click on More and come down here to Edit Site Layout. Now I'm going to have these different choices to change my layout. I'm going to want a header. This header will be seen on every page because I want my kids to know that they're on Miss Beatty's Google site. And if I don't like it, like I want an apostrophe here, I can click on it. Oh, I can't change the title, but I can change the logo size. I can change where I see everything. I can get rid of the logo if I want to, and let's test it out. Okay, so you see the changes that were made. If you don't like it, you can click on it again and make it go back to the way you want it to go. Okay, I like this much better. If I wanted to, I could actually get rid of the logo and insert an image from, maybe it's an image of a picture that I already have. I want to get rid of the logo. I don't have currently, let's search school and let's go to images and let's see if there's a picture that I like. Back to school. I like this image. To copy a picture, you can hit Command Shift 4 on your keypad and your cursor changes, and all you do is go to the top left corner of a picture, click and drag to the picture that you want, then let it go, and I've now saved my picture to my desktop. So if I go back to my website and choose a file, I just took a snapshot at 6:07 on the 21st. I click on it and click choose. Let's see how well this looks. Oh, very nice. Okay, so now to move on. The horizontal bar, navigation bar, is this section right here. If you'd like to have your navigation horizontally, I'll keep that there for now. I do want a sidebar. I like the sidebar. There are lots of different options to the sidebar, but the first thing you want to do is edit the sitemap. There's no need to have a sitemap, so uncheck it. What that does is it shows everybody who comes to your website all the different changes that you have made to the site. And for my students, that's not necessary for them to know the changes that I've made. You can change the level of pages that are shown at a time, and you can display the name, navigation, and I'm okay with those changes. You can also click on the plus sign, and there are all these different types of sidebars that you can add. The one that I really like is the countdown. And you can add a countdown to anything you want. So let's say Halloween. And then you choose a date. And then you have a countdown to Halloween on your site. So I think that's kind of cool. There are other options for you to test and try out. The nice thing to remember is that what you don't like, you can always come back and get rid of later. So I'm going to keep those as my sidebars for now because I'm going to use my sidebar really as my navigation. And so the next thing I'm going to show you is the custom footer. And down at the bottom is where the custom footer is. And I like to use quotes or maybe instructions for the students, or maybe your students' creed. So down here I could say, we will always be safe, caring, and respectful citizens at North School. I can change the font just like you can in word processing and click OK, and this will appear at the bottom of every single page on my whole layout. I would suggest just leaving the site width the same, keep it as the theme default, and that is all the different things that you can change on your site layout. When you are done, you can click close, and then it will save everything, and now you are ready for adding pages.